happy birthday.
Birthday.
From Toronto. Kung manong mamani ka manang mo Porsche.
Ingat-ingat ka na yon. Happy birthday.
Ako ka ade naltasan.
Happy birthday, Tita Sonia!
Sing.
Happy, happy, happy birthday! Sa'yo ang panumin, sa'yo ang merienda. Happy, happy, happy birthday! Sana'y mabusog mo kami!
Okay, then. Hello, Ading. Once again, this is our message. Your name, Sonia. S. So much love from us to you.
Oh, overwhelmed that we will surprise you.
And nothing more we wish but good health and be blessed.
In everything we do, our thoughts of you.
A. Always be grateful. We are family. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We love you. Happy birthday, Ading Sonia. Always stay healthy. Palaging happy. At si Bal nandyan. Ang tagal-tagal din na nag-video ng message niya sa'yo. Ulit-ulit. Take 1, take 2. Natapos din. Maraming salamat, Daisy, ha. I know na na-surprise talaga si Ading dito. We love you, Ading. God bless. Love you, Mama.
Happy birthday, tita. Sana maging masayang araw mo. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng pagmamahal at suporta. Napakaswerte namin na ikaw ang tita namin. Mahal ka namin, tita. Enjoy your day. Love you, tita. Bye-bye.
It's your birthday, Tita, and happy, happy birthday. And I just want you to know how lucky I am to have you as one of my loving titas. I wish you grace, love, respect, and good health for your future. We love you, Tita. Happy, happy birthday.
Hello, Sonia. Happy birthday. May your dreams come true.
Happy birthday song, go!
Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita.
Tita, wish namin sa'yo ay good health.
Good job. Happiness. Peace.
And abundant of blessings.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
God bless you!
God bless you.
We love
And
you!
we love you.
Bye!
Bye.
Apay, pa-Jollibee! Palat! Papaya ng Jollibee na yan!
Happy birthday, Ading!
Happy birthday, Tita! Wish ko kat abang katuyan. Kan wish ko good health ka lang ita. Kan dimlik lipatan, be happy.
Alagaan ni Lola.
Kan alagaan ni Lola.
Love you!
Love you.
Happy 40th
Happy
birthday!
30th birthday.
Enjoy!
Enjoy.
God bless! Hi, Bunso! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bonso. God bless you and enjoy.
Enjoy! Thank you! We love you!
Happy birthday, tita. Ingat ka na yon.
They can watch this one.
Happy birthday, Tita Sonia. We love you.
Hello, Tita Sonia. Happy birthday. I love you.
Bunso, ito birthday gift ko sa'yo. Birthday flower ko sa'yo. Happy birthday. Love you. Greetings from Ate Minda, Kuya Rani. And, saan si golden ko? Saan yung golden ko? Yan. Yan. Happy birthday daw. Okay, we love you. Wish ko healthy lagi. Kailangan healthy ka lagi, masaya, at enjoy lang ang buhay.
Wala pang isang taon. Doon sa
Love
bundok.
you.
Diba doon nakalatag tayo lahat. sa dulo si mamang, tapos the other end si papang. Dumedede ka nun kay mamang. Tapos pagkataas ng dede, pinagpapasapasahan ka namin, pinaghahalikan hanggang dun kay papang. Tapos pagdating namin kay papang, balik ulit. Parang bolang nag-roll lang dun kay mamang ulit. Kasi ang cute-cute, tas ang bango-bango.
Good evening, Canada, whatever. Happy birthday, Bunso. This is your very special day. I know that everybody's there, your friends, our family, of course, your kids, Rob. Just enjoy the day. This is your very special day. We love you. Happy birthday. Our wish is that stay healthy, happy. Just enjoy every moment of your life. And God bless. This is from the bottom of our hearts. We love you. Happy birthday also. Greetings from Kuya Ilis and Ate She, and of course from Ate Tina. Love you.
Say something.
May not burn the house.
No. Happy birthday to
Happy
you.
birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
To
you.
All the
Happy
gifts are for me.
birthday.
Happy birthday to
Happy
you.
birthday, son. Happy birthday, Bunso. I can't believe you're 40. They say life begins at 40, but I can't even remember when I had 40, what did I do, or did it change anything? But no, I think 40 is age is just a number. So what's important is we take care of ourselves, especially you. You have 3 beautiful kids who loves you very much, and you have friends who care for you, or who always got your back. So we're very thankful and always be grateful for that. By the time you see this message, maybe you're out somewhere with your friends, and I wish you're having a good time with everybody. And I know that you're not planning to do anything for your birthday, but Miss Daisy has this bright idea for your 40th birthday to surprise you. So thank you very much, Miss Daisy, and all the friends who's with you right now. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I wish you, of course, my wish for you is always good health and success to your new career. I wish I could be with you, or and surprise you on your birthday in person, but I can't because we're currently moving right now. But that's why I'm sending this video message to you. So that's all. And always remember, don't stress too much about things that you cannot control. Just stay focused on positive ideas, good vibes always, and good energy will come back to you. So God bless, and I love you very much. Mwah. I hope to see you soon. Bye.